Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is fourth schedule. The Finance Commission of India is constituted under which article of the Constitution? The correct answer is Article 280. Who was the first Indian Governor General of Independent India? The correct answer is C. Rajagopalachari. Which river is called the Dakshin Ganga? The correct answer is Godavari. Which of the following is a non-metal? The correct answer is sulfur. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the fundamental duties? The correct answer is Part 4A. Who among the following wrote Arthashastra? The correct answer is Chanakya. Which Indian state has the maximum number of Lok Sabha seats? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. What is the SI unit of electric resistance? The correct answer is Ohm. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? The correct answer is 1757. The tropical grasslands are also known as? The correct answer is savanna. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets? The correct answer is vitamin D. The headquarters of the International Monetary Fund is located in? The correct answer is Washington, D.C. Which metal is known as quicksilver? The correct answer is mercury. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? The correct answer is President of India. What is the term of office of a member of Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is 6 years. Which amendment of the Indian Constitution added the fundamental duties? The correct answer is 42nd Amendment. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? The correct answer is nitrogen. The Chandrayaan-3 mission was launched by which organization? The correct answer is ISRO. What is the capital of Australia? The correct answer is Canberra. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which organization releases the World Happiness Report? The correct answer is United Nations. What is the theme of India's Digital India initiative mainly focused on? The correct answer is Digital Services and Technology. Which Indian mission successfully achieved a soft landing on the moon's south pole? The correct answer is Chandrayaan 3. What does the term green hydrogen mainly refers to? The correct answer is hydrogen produced using renewable energy. Which country recently became the world's most populous nation? The correct answer is India. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? The correct answer is Gujarat. Which Indian state launched the Mukhyamantri Ladli Behna Yojana? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which country won the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup 2023? The correct answer is Australia. Who is the current governor of the Reserve Bank of India? The correct answer is Shaktikanta Das. Who is the current Chief Justice of India? The correct answer is D.Y. Chandrachud. Who wrote the book Wings of Fire? The correct answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Which Indian river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? The correct answer is Kosi. The headquarters of the United Nations is located in. The correct answer is New York.